We'll guide you through how to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for some apps to be installed and go and work, you need to go and have Visual C++ installed. So let's go and get it, otherwise you can't go and use those apps. To go and get started, go and open up a web browser, and what you then want to do is go and type in Microsoft Visual C++ like so. And what you want to do is come to this site here, Microsoft Learn. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down until you can see the downloads here. You can see there's a few different options. To find out which option you need, click on Search at the bottom of your computer and click on System Information. Find System Type. You can see I've got an x64 system, so I can go and get this bottom option here. Go and click on it and it will download. Now what we need to do is go and locate it, so open up your file explorer, click on downloads on the left, and you can then go and run the application. You'll go and get this pop-up and you need to click on install. You'll have to go and give it security access, and it's now going to go and start. All you need to do is wait. And like that, the setup has been successful. Now what you need to do is go and restart your computer before you can use the software. So go and click on restart and your computer will restart, or you can press close and go and restart it later. And after you've gone and restart your computer, it'll be successfully installed, and you can then go and install the app you're trying to install or do whatever, which is why you wanted Microsoft Visual C++ on your system.